Welcome to the quick start guide for assembling your Swift M mid-drive mountain electric bike. Let's dive right in. Begin by unboxing your bike and laying out all the components in a clear workspace. Next, install the front tire securely, ensuring it's aligned properly with the fork. Then, attach the handlebar, making sure it's tightened snugly in place. Follow this by installing the front light for enhanced visibility during your rides. Finally, add the battery, connecting it to the designated port, and you're ready to hit the road. Now let's talk about the impressive features of the Swift M mid-drive electric bike. Powered by a robust mid-drive 500 watts motor with torque sensors, this bike delivers smooth and efficient performance on any terrain. Equipped with Shimano hydraulic brakes and an 8-speed transmission, you'll experience precise control and seamless shifting. The hydraulic front fork ensures a comfortable ride, absorbing bumps and vibrations along the way. With the Swift M, adventure awaits at every turn.